the wind is blowing 30 degrees north of east at 50 miles per hour. This pilot wants to go due east, so all that has to happen is the pilot, I'll use yellow as her velocity, is going to have to angle the plane down to the right angle so that the vertical component of the plane's, so if we say, so basically the velocity of the wind in the y plus the velocity of the plane in the y has to equal 0. Okay, and so the velocity of the wind in the y is, so it's going to be the velocity of the wind times sine 30 degrees, and then actually we know that number right there is, okay, so that's going to be a minus. So then that's going to equal velocity of the plane times sine of theta. Well, once again, let's not use theta. Let's use phi. So then phi is going to equal VW over VP times sine theta. Going to equal inverse sine of. So phi is going to equal that. So the inverse sine of 50 divided by 200 times, and the sine of 30 is 0.5. And we get 7.18 degrees. So she has to angle her plane 7.18 degrees, and it's going to be south of east. All right, and then the time, we know that x, we know that Vx is x over t, so t is going to equal Vx time, oh, just kidding, good gravy, I'm losing my mind. Sorry, t is going to equal x over Vx, and the only issue here is that Vx is equal to Vwx plus Vpx. Okay, and so that turns out to be x over Vw cos theta plus Vp sine phi. And that's 600 divided by 50, oops, divided by 50 cosine 30 plus 200 cosine 7.18. And I get 2.4 hours. And the reason it's hours is, remember, we're dealing in miles per hour, not meters per second. So, yeah, this is miles, and then that's divided by miles per hour. All right, that should be